digestive, or one of them. Now,
That's the long one.
this is intestine. So, this one is here. If there is a letter here, inside here, between, inside here. Can you see where the letter is? Okay, Bridget, can you see?
So this is the liver.
So this one is all the liver, right? But here it's hepatocyte, right? The hepatocyte. Okay. Now, on the side, you have a wonderful, what you call it now, the three of them are the triad, artery and vein, the portal vein, and a hepatic duct. Okay? So you see this one. The green, when you see the green, it is called sinus. Good? That's the sinus. Okay? What else? Here, what is this? Central canal. Central canal.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Vein, right? Central canal. Okay. So this is for the hepatocyte. Okay? Same vein, right? This one here, the funnel.
Fallopian tube.
These are let's put them the fallopian tube, okay? That's the fallopian tube. This one is the
Uterus.
what part of the uterus? The fundus of the uterus. The fundus of the uterus. This one is the body of the uterus. Let's go for layer. In the middle, the layer in the middle is the endometrium. The one after it is the myometrium, and the one outside is the perimetrium. Okay? Good. Okay. Renal capsule. In the middle is glomerulus. On the side are what type of epithelial layer? Simple square. Okay? Simple square. Now, the rest don't worry about these small organs. One that we take care of. This one here is the afferent, and the one out.
Afferent.
Okay? Now, we will tell it because they're going to turn around it. Yes.
So the afferent is bigger, right?
It's bigger.
So more goes in.
Absolutely. And this difference in volume will make a pressure, and the pressure will make everything go out. Okay, good. Okay, so here we have where is the juxtamedullary and where is the cortical? The lower one. So what's the difference between both of them? Is in the loop of Henle, right? The loop of Henle is much deeper in the juxtamedullary, right? In the cortical, the loop of Henle is very small. You can see it here, right? Now, nephron. Identify a nephron. Identify a proximal and a distal convoluted tubule, a descending and ascending loop of Henle. Are you following me? Bridget, I can see you.
I can see it.
You can see me good. Okay. And you have collecting ducts, right? Do you see the collecting duct? At the end of the collecting duct, we call it papilla.
Papilla.
Okay. Capsule. Thank you. A is capsule. On the outside is cortex. As simple as this. Don't think too much into it. In the middle.
Medulla.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, where the so C, pyramid, in the middle of the pyramid.
Column.
This region here.
Medulla.
Okay. D, pelvis, right? The pelvis. This region here is the pelvis, right? Over here, on the top. Minor calyx. Is that okay? At the bottom here, major calyx, okay? So pelvis, you will find it in the MCQ, okay? Between pelvis and a major calyx. I'm not going to put both of them together, right? Not to confuse anybody. Okay? This one is the hilum, and what are these blood vessels called? That's it.
Renal artery.
Renal artery and renal vein. Okay? So this one, 5 points, it's in your pocket. Can you see? This is one of them. Testes, okay? This one here is the epididymis, right? This region over here, this region over here, retic testes, where all of these sperms will go and start maturing. Retitestes. Retitestes, epididymis, right? Now, we have this guy over here. It's a gland. the gland. No. Seminal.
Good job.
Seminal vesicles, right? Because the prostate is down. We have to ask about the prostate, right? The prostate is here, right? So the seminal vesicle is very clear, and the prostate is very clear. The question in the exam, I need to make a difference. This gland will secrete semen. It's much more for nourishment of the sperm. This gland will secrete a secretion that will neutralize acid, bulbourethria. This gland will secrete mucus and clotting factor to the sperm. Because of clot, they clot and they declot, right? Which would be the prostate. Is that okay? So the prostate, you will see the bulbourethria, the prostate and the bulbourethria is here. It's a blue one, small.
It's what? Called what?
No, it's the ligament.
Okay.
Here.
That's the ligament that helps.
No, it's the bulbourethria.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
That will neutralize urine.
Got it.
Urine interaction.
So it doesn't burn on the way out.
Yeah, it will burn. Okay. Gland is the head, just a point for you. Okay. At layers, we said the layer outside is perimetrium, then myometrium, and then endometrium. Okay. Now we have the. So what is this? This thing over here. An egg. Okay. An egg and over. Okay. Check it out. An over or an egg. Okay. Now here. What is this? What is this? Cervix. Exactly. Cervix. The cervix of the uterus. Right? This is the vagina. Right? And this is the uterus. We have the fallopian tube. That's about it. Okay? There are no glands here to talk about. Okay. Major. So on top is enamel. Underneath it is, which is the and these ones are the bulb, right? Okay? All of this region is called. Some people do what? Round. And then this one is the
Neck.
The neck. Okay, very good. That's good. And this one is the root, right? The root. Okay? Cementum. What is the cementum? The cementum is basically this region here, right? No friend?
The dentin is the part that you take out, that you just took
No,
out.
no, this is the bulb that stick out. The dentin is the spongy part. Okay? Okay. So this is, thank you. Do we have any others? Esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, and then the large intestine. Is that okay? So you have the layer, right? You have the layer. This one is much better than the one we just saw. Okay, so the esophagus basically showing stratified squamous, and here the stomach showing what? Showing one more layer of muscle, which we call oblique, thank you, and then we have the small intestine, where we have the villi, and then finally the large intestine, where everything goes down, much more mucus cells, okay? Now, we turn it over here, we see red and green, right? Red and green. So parietal cells and neck cells. The red are the neck cells. Let's have a consensus. Red, like mucus, are the.
Can you point to exactly which red ones?
The red. Why? Are there more than red ones?
Well, they just look kind of pink and kind of weird. Okay.
Red.
That's the gastric cyst.
Okay. So no, neck. The red are the neck cells.
Okay.
These are the gastric cysts. Yes, they are. They are stimulating the gastric cysts. So this one are the red. If you have any questions, they secrete mucus like all the neck cells. The green one are the parietal ones. The parietal, right? The green are parietal, and the yellow are the cheek cells. Okay. All of the yellow are cheek cells.
Yellow cheek.
Cheek, yeah. Okay. So here we have layers of the stomach. Now, this is easy here because you can see mucosa, submucosa, which are made up of adventitious layer, then the muscle, and then remember muscle, circular,
Longitudinal.
and then finally the uterus.
Uterus.
Okay?